and my thoughts of fun, shining one light, and giving grace, sharing your joy, with a smile on my face. Amen. Standard is attention. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country. I am proud of it. Rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give parents, teachers, all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country, to my people, prosper my ocean, in their well-being, prosperity alone lies my happiness.